Number 14, which choice most precisely conveys the narrowness of the buildings? We use a strategy called DIP. Define the answer choices, identify keywords, and then process of eliminate. So let's just define the answer choices first. So spread means to expand to a large area, right? You can spread butter from a small piece of butter to covering a whole piece of bread. Sample is an example of a whole. I'd like to try a sample of the crackers, a sample of the ice cream. Give me one bite so I can see if I might like more. A sliver, a thin piece. That one sounds like it's probably going to be right? The narrowness. And a speck is a tiny spot. I think we already know probably the answer is sliver, but let's identify keywords, right? So it is narrowness from the question, and then in the text we see a space over 2 floors, and it's compressed, so it is smaller, and it's spreading out over 2 floors. So in process of eliminate, compressed is not to spread. It's not representation of a whole, right? It's not a bigger piece. A sliver is a narrow slice, like we suspected, so H is probably the correct answer. And 2 floors aren't a speck, right? Expanding out is not a tiny speck, so your answer has to be H. But that's the process for how to do word choice questions.